So what I can also do is I can write a programming code by using Microsoft Copilot. For example, I'm going to go around and ask it to write a Python programming code. So I'm just going to go around and say write a Python programming code for averaging out for input for number inputs from a user right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, it's simple as that. It says write a programming code, and then I'm telling what it should do. So you can see that there's 4 numbers right here, and it averages it out and gives the value right here, just like this. So calculate average is the function right here. So let me just go around and copy this and take it into a compiler of my choice, and then I'm going to go around and paste out right here and hit the run button. So once I do that, here it says enter the first number, as you can see right here. So I'm going to say 45, and second is 67 and 23 and 45, and there you go, the average is 45. Run again right here, and let me just go around and give it a bigger number right here, just like this, around over here, and then press enter, and it says please enter numeric values. That is because this is not a numeric value, it showed the error right here, as you can see. So let me just go around and add in only numeric value right here, just like this, and then you can see that this is the average right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then generate out programming codes with the help of Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.